Whenever I can stay at a place that has a view, it's always a plus. Hey, what's up guys? David Hoffman here from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful Osaka, Japan. Today what I want to do is take you around my apartment. I'm going to give you an apartment tour. I'm staying here in the Namba area in the smack center of the city. It's literally a 10-minute walk to Dotonbori, which is the Times Square of Osaka. We have the Kuromon Market, which is really nearby. There you can eat some delicious street food. And we have the Tsutenkaku Tower, which has an observation deck, which is also a must visit. Now let me show you my studio apartment. Follow me. Let's go. So, I love how this place works, by the way. It's, the security is this, watch. Using your key, you can open the security gate. That's how it opens. No other way to open it. Very secure. We are going up to the 13th floor. I have an epic view. It's a studio apartment, so it's one room, but I also have a kitchen. Well, it's more like a kitchenette. 13. We also have a bathroom. And we have a toilet, so it's like they always separate here in Japan. The bathtub or the shower are separate from the toilet, and the toilet is heated. I love it. It's like a super luxurious toilet, but that's standard here in Japan. And yeah, very modern, and I can't wait to show it to you. Here we go. 13th floor. By the way, from here we have insane views. Look at this. The views here are so epic. We got literally the skyline of Osaka. Just incredible. And here we go, 1304. So I got 2 locks, by the way. Well, I only locked one of them. And this is it. First thing you have to do, take off your shoes. Always do this when you're in Japan. It's just Japanese etiquette, right? Right here to the right, we have a little sink area. This is where I brush my teeth. It's, like I said before, it's separated so they really maximize space. Over here we have a closet, and in this closet you can put your stuff up here like detergent and stuff, but you also have a washer dryer. It's both in one. Over here we have the shower. Boom, look at that, beautiful. So it's shower and it's also a tub, separate. And right here we have the kitchen area. Here you can make some eggs. You got some stuff up here, so we have cups, coffee cups, got bowls. Under here we have pans, forks, knives, plates, knife. I like this. I like the setup here. And over here we have a toaster oven, microwave, and we have a mini fridge. Obviously there's nothing. I'm only here 2 nights. Oh guys, and here is the toilet. This is always how it is in Japan. They always separate the toilet, and the toilet's heated. Yeah, it's hot, really hot. And it has all these functions. So this is basically like a bidet. So it's a toilet with a bidet, and you can move it. You can move like the spray. Really cool. I mean, it's basically the most advanced toilet in the world. And you always have a faucet behind, because the motto here is basically use the toilet, and then when you flush, it comes out. So watch this. See? Isn't that amazing? And right above the toilet, we also have toilet paper. We have napkins, we have wipes, and here we go. This is my studio. As you can see, it's tiny, but at the same time it's spacious. I have my luggage right here, open, right? I got right here a couch, nice little couch. I'm pretty sure it folds out as well. No, it doesn't. It doesn't fold out. It's fine. And then here we have a TV. A little area. This is where I actually work. This is where I was working last night. And right in front of the bed, we also have a closet. In the closet, we have extra pillows, extra blankets in case it gets too cold outside. And we have an air conditioning right here, which also has heater. Last night was freezing. I turned it on, but right now it's pretty hot. I didn't get outside because it's extremely hot. And they left me this little pig, which is funny. Gotta separate them. And I think the best part about this place is the view. The view is epic. I love views. I'm like all about getting views. Whenever I can stay at a place that has a view, it's always a plus. Wow, look at Osaka. That is Osaka, guys. Incredible. A lot of low rises, a lot of high rises. These are skyscrapers. It's a mix between residential, commercial, offices. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed my Airbnb apartment tour here in Osaka in the Namba area. Next time you visit Japan, definitely head out here to Osaka and stay here. It's awesome. I mean, this is a place for 2 people, maybe 3. I wouldn't come here with a family. I mean, it would be a little too tight, especially with luggage and everything. And if you love this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome travel content. I'll see you in the next travel food adventure in Japan.